So on page 30 of your affidavit.
Page 30. We were just busy with the consumer trace report, and I explained all the numbers that was identified by the XDS report belonging to Buyaqhubeka.
Lana ke bengikhuluma ke ngalombiko ke we-XDS nalama number ke ahlukene ke kuthiwa wakhe ufiso kuhle Ntuli.
Yes, and the residential address that was given and the ID number.
Corner of Main and Nugget Street, room 317, Glover House, Benoni.
Ikheli ke leli ekwanikezwa ngalo ke ukhona Main kanye no Nugget room 317 eNdlovu House eBenoni.
The ID number 8601156120086.
ID number ke 8601105612086.
Yes.
Then page 31, paragraph 20. The numbers was imported into the database to establish any linkage.
So paragraph 25.
25, yes. The following linkage was found from the downloads of just adjustment to the database of Colonel Stein, annexure 17.
Ama number ke lana ke ase endluliselwa ke kwilagcina khona imininingwane noma ke i-database ukubheka ukuthi khona yini ukuxhumana noma ukuhlangana khona lokuxhumana noma lokuhlangana ke kwatholakala ke kona ke ama downloads ayo i-database yakhe uKenneth Stein wabese bhala ke now annexure 17.
Communication linkages, paragraph 25.1. There was communication between 2772668169 Mtobezi, Prince, Nkube, alias Carlos, accused 3, and a common contact 2776172 that belonged to a Puta, Nkeshemba, Nkeshi, index number 56.
Lana ke ukuxhumana ke okwakukhona ke no phakathi kwenumber 27726688169 Mthobisi Prince Mncube uCarlos accused 3 kanye ke nenye ke inumber ewahlanganisayo ke lama number lana u27761721682 ubhutu Phutha Nkeshemba Nkeshe ingaphansi kwakhe uindex 156.
Is that? And there was a communication between 2772668169 Mtobesi, Prince Nkube and alias Carlos, and the common contact 277901897753 index 211 with the name of Slindor.
Lana ke futhi kube khona ukuxhumana ke phakathi kwa 27727668169 Mthobisi Prince Mncube uCarlos uaccused 3 kanye ke nale number ke ehlanganisayo u27791089753 uSlindo ngaphansi ke ko index wakhe u211.
So my lord, annexure 17 could be missing on some of the bundles. We'll just attach it just after the long adjournment.
Okay. So if you looked at it, according to the downloads, that Buyaqhubeka Ntuli with number 278258597995 had two common contacts that was also phoned by Prince Sabisi Prince Nkube alias Carlos. That too, both of them had contact, or it was the numbers was on his SIM card, but accused 3 had contact with that two numbers.
It's these two numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Kunalama number amabili ke alana ile kaSlindo kanye nale kaPhuthu ke lana ke uPrince Mncube kanye eceleni lapha kube ufiso kuSentuli uthi yilawo manamba amabili ke bobabili ababe nawo ababexhumana nawo noma bahlanganiswa yilawo manamba lawo.
There was communication between 2772688169 Tombi Prince Nkube alias Carlos accused 3 and 2773059202. That's one of the numbers of Fishokulun Tule, accused 5.
Kwakukhona nokuxhumana kwakukhona-ke phakathi kuka-2772766869 ekamthobisi Prince Mncube noma-ke uCarlos u-accused 3 kanye-ke no-2773059202 okuyenye inamba yakhe uFisokuhle Ntuli u-accused 5.
If I can ask you, Lieutenant Colonel Khoz, just to go back to page 30 and just to identify that number which ends with 202.
202, that is annexure. If you look at the entry number 202, 2012-11-24, it was given up as a reference number.
Yenye-ke inamba lena egcina ngo-202 inamba anikeza ngayo-ke nkathi-ke nanjengoba beshilo ukuthi uma uvula ama-account noma uya ey'tolo ngo-2012 24 11 le number egcina ngo-202 awanikeza ngayo.
It was given up as a cellular phone.
Uma anikeza ngayo-ke wathi-ke i-cellular number yakhe.
And then the last entry is also amendment. Communication between 2772681169 Tombi Prince Mncube, alias Carlos, and other number of Fishokulun Tule 276642707.
Bese kuthi-ke kuba nokuxhumana kwakukhona-ke phakathi kuka-277276681169 umthobisi Prince Mncube noma-ke uCarlos u-accused 3 kanye nenye inamba ekuyeyakhe-ke u-accused 5 uFisokuhle Ntuli eku-2776642707.
That was a number that was identified by the IO.
Inamba-ke leyo-ke eyachazwa-ke uyena-ke umphenyi.
Paragraph 26. During my performance of my official duties, the mentioned information were only for the purpose of analysis and were not changed or placed in possession of unauthorized people.
Uma-ke sengeza umsebenzi wami-ke imininingwane lena-ke eshiwo noma echaziwe inhloso yakho-ke kwakuwukuthi mina ngiyihloleke ngiyibheke hayi ukuthi ngishintshe noma-ke ngiyinikezeke noma ibe ngaphansi noma igcinwe ngabantu abangenalo-ke igunya noma abangekho emthethweni ukuthi bayigcine leyo mininingwane.
And then just my oath, I know and understand the contents of this statement. I have no objection in taking the prescribed oath, and I consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience, signed by myself.
Isifungo-ke lesi asithathileke ukuthi uyakwazi uyakuzwisisa lokhu okubhaliwe kulesi statimende akanankinga ukuthi angakufungela nokuthi-ke isifungo leso-ke noma ukufunga lokho-ke kuyambophezela-ke kunembeza wakhe wase eyasayinda.
Is there anything else that you wish to add, Lieutenant Colonel Khoz?
Akukho kunye engakwengeza-ke kulokho.
And do you adhere to both the affidavits that if deposed to Exhibit DD5 as well as DD5A?
That's correct.
Wona amabili-ke lama affidavits engiwenzile ngiyahambisana-ke nawo noma ngimile-ke kulokhu okubhaliwe kuwona.
Malot, we're done with the witness. There's just one aspect that we just
The missing annexure.
Yes, that annexure 17.
You don't have a copy of that?
We'll try and arrange it during the long adjournment.
So this witness didn't testify about annexure 17?
He did testify about it. It's in his
affidavit, I saw that.
Affidavit, yes.
But in other words, he testified about it, but he didn't refer to it.
Yes.
You didn't refer to annexure 17, although you know you testified about it.
Yes, but he referred to the one that is in the affidavit.
In the?
In the affidavit.
Oh, the affidavit's fine.
Yes, it's incorporated. It's on page. Page 31.
Yeah, but when you say that annexure is missing from his annexures.
Yes, from the bundle.
The defense, do they have that missing annexure?
Yes. Yeah, we'll just arrange just for that one annexure, my lord.
In other words, the defense also doesn't have that annexure.
Yes, possibly, my lord.
Hello?
Yes, possibly,
Yeah, then we must adjourn so that I don't want to have problems later on that
as a court pleases. Can we then take the long agenda?
ambushing people. There are amendments that are prejudicial to the person's clients.
We actually have that annexure here. Maybe the state
but
has
Mr.
forgotten
Mgomez
that he
has-
gave it. Okay, Mr. Mgomez. I didn't hear him saying that it does not have it.
Hello? I don't have it. 2 o'clock.